Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing my second look in my series Inspired by Birds, and today I chose to do an inspired look that I got from a garden bluebird. And for those of you who haven't seen them, I will have a picture up somewhere in this video to let you know what the garden bluebird looks like. And they're really cute, tiny little birds, and they're brown, blue with a touch of white. And so this is the look that I got for it. And I hope you like it. What I'm going to do first, I've got all of my foundation, my concealer, my eye primer, all that on. So now all I've got to do is just do my makeup. So I started, and I used my contour brush for the corner because I wanted to make sure to get it really good. And I used, in the Profusion palette, I used this blue right here. And I just went into the corner. And for those of you who have watched me in the past, you know that I'm not much of a blue person. I don't like the color blue on me. For other people, yes, it may be fine, but for me, I don't like it. But with this look, you just couldn't do it without the blue. And this is not too bad of a blue. It's the bright blues that look so bad on me. So, and I just went maybe a third of my eye with the blue. Because like I said, I'm not much of a blue person. I mean, if you wanted to go farther than that, you could. Once I got the blue on, I swear the older I get, the harder it gets to put makeup on. I hate it. Okay, after I got my blue on, I went to my eyeshadow brush by e.l.f. and I chose this brown color here. And just down the end of my eye with the brown. I wanted a kind of a darker brown color. The garden bluebird has like a tan color brown, but I wanted it to stand out, and this blue is a darker blue, so I wanted to incorporate the darker brown. And that's what I've got so far with my eyeshadow. And then I went back to my contour brush. And the contour brush looks like this. Okay, and I went with the same brown, and what I done with it was I went through the crease, it's kind of a smoky eye look actually, but with browns and blues. Never tried that before. I made sure to come down into this brown to make it look good. And so now that's what I've got. Hope you can see that. Then I took, and I had a hard time deciding on what to do here. I took this color here, and I hope you can see it, and I just used it for my highlight. took my blending brush and I want to blend this brown out so it's not so drastic, and kind of blend in this right here. And that's what I done for that. Okay, then for the eyeliner, and you know I'm getting ready to turn this off. I cannot do my eyeliner while trying to hold everything. But for my eyeliner, I used e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, and for my waterline, I used a new by Avon, and it is in brown. And that's what I use for my waterline. So as soon as I get this on, I will be right back to finish the look. Okay, so I'm back and I have my eyeliner on. And what I done with the bottom of my eye is I took the same brown that I used in my crease and on my lid, and I went under my eye with it. To where the brown stops. Like that. Okay. Then I took the same blue that I used for my eyeline or for my eyes, and I went under the part with the blue. Like that. And then I took, since they have just a touch of white and I wanted to accentuate my eyes a little more, make them pop some, I used this white here on the bottom with my eyeliner brush, and I went in and popped a little color there in the corners of the white. I mean, that's not something that you have to do. You make this look your own, but I definitely like to put a little bit of white in there. And I still feel like that blue is not as vibrant as my other blue on my other eye. So, I'm going to go back in and try to get a little bit more. There we go. That's a little bit more vibrant. And so that's how I got that. Then for my mascara, I took my eyelash curler and I curled my eyelashes. Hold it there for just a minute or two. Okay, once my eyelashes were curled, I used fully loaded volumized mascara and lengthening, and it doesn't have a name on it that I know. But anyways, I used this, and it's got the big wand that I love. Okay, and then I just put a good coating on my eyelashes. If I can keep my hair back out of the way. And I did focus a lot on this corner just because I wanted the corner to stand out more. Birds have their little wings, and I wanted it to be more flippy. Kind of like a pixie or something. I hope you're seeing that. I know I keep saying that, but it's so hard for me to tell what you're seeing and what you're not. Okay, once I got my top done, I went to the bottom, and I hate doing this because I usually end up making a flippin' mess, but we're going to go for it. And as you've seen, I made a flippin' mess. Anyway, so that's what I've got for my eyes. And for my lipstick today, I thought I would try to find like a tan or a neutral. And I've got a neutral if I can just find it. Let me see. I have a very pretty neutral lipstick. And there it is. It's by Wet n Wild. And it's a neutral color. 547B is the number for it. So I'm going to stick that on my lips. Like that. And to make it just a little bit more glossy, I'm going to put a gloss over top of it. So, let me find my lip pencil. Sorry guys. The only thing that I hate about these lip glosses like this is that when you do your makeup, it seems to get into your lip glosses, and I don't like that at all. And I'm debating. I think I'm going to go with this more neutral. And all I want to do with this is just give it a little bit more shine. And it is definitely doing the trick. Okay, so there's my lips, and that's my finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm going to have pictures at the end of my total makeup look. And thank you so much for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I love all you guys. Bye.